Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore HTML internationalization. It is also known as I18N, where 18 stands for the 18 letters between the first I and last N in the word internationalization. We'll learn how to support multiple languages in HTML documents. This includes features for English, Spanish, Japanese, German, and French. So, what exactly is HTML internationalization? Well, it's all about making your web content accessible in multiple languages. This includes supporting different character sets and text directions. It is also about adapting your content to account for various cultural differences. Take a look at the code example here. You can see how the language of the HTML document is set to Japanese using the lang attribute. Also, the character set is defined as UTF-8, which supports a wide range of characters. Let's dive into some of the key features of HTML internationalization. First, we have language declaration. The lang attribute is used to specify the language of the document or specific elements. For example, in the code snippet, you can see how to declare the language for the entire HTML document as French, or for a specific paragraph as Spanish. Another important feature is character encoding. UTF-8 is a character encoding standard that supports characters from virtually all writing systems around the world. It ensures that your web page can display characters correctly, no matter the language. Here are a couple more essential internationalization features. The dir attribute allows you to specify the text direction. This is especially important for languages that are written from right to left, such as Arabic. The D and BDO elements are used to manage bidirectional text. This helps to ensure that text containing both left to right and right to left scripts are displayed correctly. Let's look at a few examples of how to implement language and direction attributes in HTML. In the first example, we are using the lang attribute to specify the language for different paragraphs. You can see how each paragraph is rendered in its respective language. In the second example, we are using the dir attribute to set the text direction. One paragraph is left to right while the other is right to left, as seen in the Arabic text. HTML provides ways to display special characters that might otherwise be interpreted as HTML markup. HTML character entities can be used to display symbols like the copyright sign, non-breaking spaces, or less than and greater than signs. For displaying characters from different writing systems, we can use numeric character references. This allows you to display any Unicode character including the euro symbol, Japanese yen, or even emojis. Language negotiation allows servers to serve different versions of a document based on the user's language preferences. There are a couple of common methods for language negotiation. With server-side detection, you can include language parameters in the URL, as shown here. Another method is content negotiation with HTTP, where the server uses the accept language header to determine the user's preferred language. You can also set up language-specific URLs such as example.com/n and example.com/fr . Here are some best practices to keep in mind when internationalizing your HTML documents. It's a good idea to store all translatable text in separate resource files. This will make the translation process much easier. Also, using semantic HTML helps screen readers and translation tools to better understand your content. More best practices for you. Design your layouts to be flexible enough to accommodate text expansion and contraction. Remember that the length of text can vary significantly between languages. Be mindful of cultural differences in colors, symbols, and imagery. What works in one culture might be inappropriate in another. To learn more about HTML internationalization, here are some useful resources. You can check out the W3C internationalization activity, the MDN web docs on internationalization, and the Unicode consortium. Some of the key takeaways from this video are to use UTF-8 encoding for all documents, always specify the language with the lang attribute, design with text expansion in mind, and separate content from presentation. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.